practice like, and the fans were like fired up. I don't know if you noticed that. Did you notice when they were cheering?
Yeah, I heard them cheer. That was pretty funny. Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah. I guess what's been maybe the biggest challenge since anything at all?
Some workouts have been hard. You know, man, we're squatting and running. We're doing a lot of running, but it's mentally making me a better football player, and you know, it's all for the good. So.
What about just getting used to life here in the States and in Miami, which is kind of a pretty unique place in and of itself?
Yeah, Miami is pretty unique. Before here, I was living in San Francisco for 2 years, which that itself is, you know, sort of a strange city in its own little bubble. So Miami is sort of, you know, different as well. So, but I love it here. I love the heat and the people, and you know, the fans are amazing. And just like I said, looking forward to the season.
You've kind of become a sensation around the world, around the country, and definitely in Miami. Are you recognized when you walk down the street?
Yeah, occasionally I get people coming up to me. They recognise my tattoos. So, you know, I don't think they recognise my face. They see my tattoos and just put one and two together. So.
And what do they say to you? Are they encouraging?
Yeah, they just scream out, "We love the U," and you know, it's cool.
Speaking of the tattoos, any Hurricane tattoos in the plans? Or?
Yeah, maybe. I'll just have to play a snap first. So we'll get this season underway and see what happens.
And I saw you on the sideline, or working on the side maybe a couple days ago. How's your health? How's your leg feeling?
Everything's good. I'm feeling good, and you know, I'm ready to go. So.
Do you have a baby?
Yeah, I've got a son. Yeah.
Yeah. How old is he now?
He's 16 months.
What's his birthday?
February 27th.
And how often do you talk to him?
Every night I FaceTime them, yeah. So I miss him lots, but you know, I see the bigger picture of me doing this is going to help in the long run. So.
I have another football question for you. How do you feel you've been punting so far? I know you were transitioning from, I guess, the rugby style to, you know, sort of the NFL style. I guess, how's it coming for you? How do you feel
it's going good. You know, I've been punting great. Spice has been punting great. I think the depth in the special teams is amazing this year. And we plan to be, you know, top 3 in the nation for special teams. So.
Fans kind of can't wait to see you tackle somebody, hit somebody. Punter's kind of, you know, as big as you are, as strong as you are. Is that something that you're looking forward to yourself?
Well, hopefully I don't have to make a tackle. So, you know, that's the plan. You don't plan to make a tackle as a punter. You know, I'm aiming to get my the ball's fair caught, and you know, if I have to make a tackle, then I'm going to try. But you know, that's not the plan.
Have you shown coaches your run from junior college, that 50-yard run or whatever it was?
No, I haven't really shown it off, but I think a few of them know about it, but I haven't really.
What's the most interesting thing that you found about Miami, about this area?
Probably the weather. You know, it rains one minute, then it's hot the other. You know, it's bipolar, so you can't keep up with it. But
What's it been kind of getting to know the guys? I've talked to DJ from the basketball team when he first came over, and so many questions about Australia, so many questions about, you know, your journey here. What's it been like, and what's maybe been the best question you've gotten from guys as they're getting to know you?
Well, so I copped all the questions in San Fran too, so you sort of get used to all the questions they ask. They ask a lot of questions about if kangaroos run through the streets and if you got them as pets, but you know, it's all the same sort of questions, but.